Do you know that soursop leaf tea is a very powerful herbal tea that has a lot of health benefits? So stay tuned and find out how I make this tea. So to make this soursop leaf tea, this is how soursop tree looks like. These are the fruits and the leaf of soursop. Soursop leaf contain antioxidants and compounds which will help to boost immune health. So drinking soursop leaf will help to relieve constipation, ulcer, improve stress and anxiety. It will also help to regulate blood sugar. You can also use it to maintain good eyesight and some other health benefits. So here I have my fresh soursop leaf. So I'm going to start by washing it properly to remove any dirty and to avoid contaminating the tea. So to make this soursop leaf tea, you can decide to use the dried soursop leaf or fresh one. So when I'm done washing the soursop leaf, so I'm going to add the soursop leaf into a mortar. I'm going to pound it just 2 or 3 times. This will help to release all the nutrients. I'm going to add enough water and leave this to cook for about 10 minutes. So after cooking for about 10 minutes, I'm going to remove from the heat and allow to cool. For the soursop leaf tea, you can decide to drink it hot or cold. So I'm going to sieve to get the soursop leaf tea. Finally, the soursop leaf tea is ready. You can take a cup a day. This is a powerful herbal tea that can be used to manage various health conditions due to its medicinal properties. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.